In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a purchase order in NEOSYS. You can go to the menu, Jobs, and Job File and click here. The first thing, you need to have an open job to create a purchase order in. If you do not know how to create a job, refer to the other video which shows you how to create a job. So I put in the job number. The status is open for me. Okay, so you can see all the details here of this job, and if you go down here I can see something called cost. Now this is where I can enter my purchase order. If you see a little bit below, you can see billing. Now this is the estimate I have on screen for me, okay, which I've already created in the past. So I'm going to click the add new cost button here. This brings up the purchase order screen for me. It says 15075 will be a new purchase order. I say okay, and it asks me again, do I want to copy the job brief here just like I did in the estimate? I say no. It's very important here that you link the estimate to the job, although the job is as well linked. So you can do a search here and it actually links it, if you see here, and it actually goes to the next field, which is supplier code. These are mandatory fields. The supplier code is a mandatory field, so you search. It brings up your suppliers here, so you can click whichever supplier you like to. Okay, and then you can start typing exactly here like you did in the estimate screen. If you don't know how to do the estimate, please refer to the other video. So I say printing of brochure, 4-color, and you definitely would know how to create new lines. If you've seen the other videos, you hit the down arrow key and laminate it, and I put in the quantity and I put in the price, and that's my amount here. And you would know how to save right now. You can either click the save button or press the F9 key on your keyboard. Okay, this is saved, and at this time you'd want to email this out or print this out to your suppliers. We click the print send here, and it's just a confirmation screen. We say okay again. This brings up the purchase order and screen for you. You can click on file, send, page by email, or directly go and print this out here. Okay, so once you're done with the purchase order here, you can close this tab as well. You can go back to the job file. Now if you have noticed in the earlier video how I showed you to create an estimate, it doesn't show the document immediately. Okay, so you need to go up and click on reopen or use the Alt R shortcut. So I click on reopen, and here you can see your cost or your purchase order shows here.